Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a wishlist page on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. So right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Right here, you're going to find content, analytics, marketing, and also discounts. And also here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. Right here, you're going to find your applications. And over here, you can add application. And here you can go to settings. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to add wishlist, go to under apps, click on add applications. And after that, go here to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So once you're here in the App Store, just go here to the top. You're going to find the search bar, give it a click, and then search for wishlist. Once you do that, go ahead and click on enter. And after that, right here, you're going to find all of the results for your search. Here, you're going to find a lot of applications that will help you to add a wishlist to your store. So right now, I'm going to choose Wishlist Plus, for example. Right here, you're going to find the option to install it. As you can see, guys, it's already installed for me. So I'm going to click on open. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. As you can see, guys, it's going to be added to your dashboard. Here, Wishlist Plus. Under it, you're going to find dashboard, features, and pricing plan. So right now, we're going to go to the dashboard. And as you can see, guys, here are the steps to set up your wishlist. So the first step is to set up wishlist. Click on proceed with setup. And then as you can see, guys, you can add it to your store. After you set it up, as you can see, guys, you need to publish your wishlist on your store. And lastly, you can start monitoring. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.